Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga-Texas construction update video. Making these videos takes me a lot of time and energy, and it is through generous support that I am able to continue to do so. A special thank you to my Patreon supporters for your continued encouragement and support. If you would like to support me and become a patron, here is the link and it will be in the video description as well. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel, as this is also helpful. Thank you. Another great morning at Giga-Texas with a lot to see all over the site. So here is the areas that the drone will visit, and we'll do some more in-depth discussion and some photos for these areas as well. The weather was actually not too bad today. The temperature was not bad. The winds and the visibility were excellent as well. So great day to fly. Starting on the far south, one of the things that I've noticed is that the line of trees that was just to the south of the water detention pond have been removed now, and so it looks like they may be starting some attempts to level out this area of the land as well. On the west side of the main highway, we take a look at that clearing area. It doesn't look like there's been a lot of changes in the last several days, but there is some equipment over in the south part of it where it looks like they're trying to remove some of the hills, and the houses are still there. Going to the west structure now, we see a renewed effort on getting the roof installed. More of the joining is continuing and more concrete is being poured on the west side. On the northwest corner, we take a look at the battery cell area again. It looks like there's not a lot of the geopier work going on right now, but they are filling in with concrete the rest of the footers, and also the cranes are still stored up to the north. A lot of interesting developments at the paint shop building today. Starting in the top center and then working clockwise, we see some specialized equipment delivery taking place and being loaded directly into the first floor. More of the paint shop parts up in the upper north area. The bridging of the roof between the casting machine and the paint shop area, and in the bottom left you can see there's actually a mezzanine that they're installing along the center and top of the second floor area, and it kind of runs the entire length. And then we can see at the north part with the big loading ramp loading more of those mezzanine parts. Up a little farther north, we take a look at the switchyard area again. Some more of the equipment has been delivered and installed. They're still working on the new power poles as well, so more progress up there. Over on the east side, we see these buses, and a close-up shows that it says Plant Transit on it. So they're using these buses to move workers around. And we also see more of the gravel being spread in that large area. Looking at the robotic assembly area, we can see that more trucks are bringing in more of the robotic assemblers today, and they're being offloaded from the trucks and put right into the storage containers. Looking down at the south stamping machine building, we see more of the roof has got concrete, and they're still working on that one small triangular notch area. Still haven't been able to fill that in yet. More wall panels and more of the roll-up door areas have been completed. And then finally, looking at that central kind of a road or loading area, we see some green containers have been delivered. I'm not sure exactly what they are. We look into the paint shop and we see a lot of activity as well, and more deliveries near the south part of the paint shop. So once again, a lot of activity all over the site with a lot to see and a lot of interesting developments. I hope that you found this overview and drone review useful. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga-Texas.